Hey, this is Ro and welcome to this video. So I'm just going to share this cute little junk journal that I created using a very easy stitch method. And I promised in the tutorial, which I will link below, that I would share the project, which I share most of my projects anyways. But yeah, here we are. So on the front, I did a little bit of collaging with the resin butterfly over a fabric belly band. And so I just glued the back and then put a couple little jewels there. And then here I just have a little feather that I thought was cute to put in there, and a little sentiment. The most wasted of all days is one without laughter. I absolutely agree, because I'm kind of a notorious goofball. I love to laugh. And so here's the fabric belly band, just comes right off like that. And then when we open it up, I put a couple pieces of fabric here that are held down by washi tape. Got a couple pieces of tissue paper here, two pieces, and then over here we have a envelope that I glued down to make a couple tuck spots. So inside here we got just a couple little cute little pieces to do some writing. And then I love these. I love the little writing on there and stuff, just so cute. So those are really fun to make and ink up and stuff. And then over here I have a little mat that I made. Nothing special on the back, just some room for some writing or a photo. And then here I used that same fabric to make a belly band. And then I just made this. It just folds out. It's a page from Little Women, the classic book. And then tissue paper. And then over here, there was a little comic magazine or book thing that they were gonna throw away. And I was like, well, hold on, let me see what I could find in there. So just cut out a couple pieces out of there to play around with and put in there. Then over here, I did a tuck spot with some pink inking around the edge with a little sentiment. And then a couple little bit more pieces here. I love the little ledger pieces. I think they're so cool. So that's there. And then in this pocket, I just put together a little postcard with the pretty pattern there. So great for some writing or journaling, notes, what have you. And then here I had a notepad, so I took one of the pages out and put it in here. I inked around it. I turned this side into a pocket because I just thought the hummingbird was so pretty. And then inside the pocket, I have this little fold out thing that I could put some notes in, do some writing. So it's really cute. And I love how washi tape is so forgiving, so you can open and close things with it. And then some coffee dyed sheets right here. And then I use the doily on both sides here for tuck spots. So cute little, love the little birdie, isn't he adorable? So I got a tag there. And then a couple little pieces here. Another little mini tag. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And then here I had some of these left. I coffee dyed these playing cards a while back, so I took one out and I just did a pocket here and just put a little piece in. So where are my spades players at? I love cards just because I grew up playing spades. So oh, and then in this pocket, let's see, just have another pocket with a tag, the matching tag in there. Let's put that back in there like so. There we go. I'll just clip that back on. Moving right along, got another tissue paper, and then just have this little clip that I glued a cute little ribbon on. And that is holding this little piece in place. Another cute little ledger looking thing. I don't know what to call these, but I just think they're too cute. And then in here, I should have left that off because I have a little mat here. And I just used my stamp and my scallop punch to make a cute little mat for some journaling or notes or photo. Put that back in here. There we go. And then over here we have the other side of the Coffee Diet envelope. And I just did a cute little notepad, all blank pages. And I put a little button there. And then this is another page from that little comic book. But I just like the pink. I was like, oh, it has pink. Okay, let's do this. So yeah, I really like the pink in that one. So that's why I picked that image. And then some more tissue paper. And we've come to the end. We've got a little booklet here that has also a little mini belly band inside of it with another cute little polka dotted piece that I put in there. And I just used my ticket stamp to stamp that side and made a cute little book. And that goes with this paper clip. Yeah, and that's it. So that concludes my Easy Stitch junk journal, which I think is too cute. Had a lot of fun making it. So appreciate you hanging out with me while I do this project share. And please like and subscribe if you'd like some more crafty inspiration or some easy tutorials. And I will check you out in our next video. Bye for now.